Thank you for ordering your ragdoll kit. This video tutorial will help you learn to make a ragdoll. A well-crafted ragdoll that can hold her head full of hair. Your kits are supplied with the materials to help you achieve making your own ragdoll. Remember, you are learning an easy ragdoll, and they are craft dolls, pretty pink ballerinas, CoCo girl with curly hair. Gather your supplies. You will need a sewing machine, pins, needles, thread, and notions. Also, hot glue gun. Be sure to use the clear glue stick. Be careful when using any equipment. Your kit comes with instruction pages. Make sure you reference the video tutorials link. The overview of Pretty Pink Ballerina Kit. The ballerina can be made as a ragdoll or the ballerina topper. This video for ragdoll. The link for the topper instruction is reference at the end of the tutorial. You have sewn your head, body, arms, and legs. Reinforce stitching on all parts. Flatten your parts and have them facing right side. Let's begin with the body. Insert the flat craft stick all the way to the neck and leave a sum above the neck. Slow the video to see Cynthia demonstrating this important feature. You are using the hot glue gun. Drop a small amount at the tip. This is holding the craft stick in place and flat. Now using the polyfill stuffing. Remember, you are making a craft ragdoll and no need to overstuff these dolls. Your ragdoll measurement are the head 3 inches in diameters, the body 5 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Notices how I'm keeping the body flat and stuff upward the shoulders, equal parts, and the same for the back. The neck area notices how I'm using a small amount of polyfill. In other words, you are patting the neck area to the tip of the fabric, leaving the craft stick with no polyfill. Examine your stuffing from the neck, shoulder, front, and back. Keep that craft stick in place. This is your craft doll neck and back support, but especially for the head. We want to be able to support that hair and the size of this craft doll. Stuffy legs. Remember, they are skinny and long, stuff to 5 of 8 at the top. It's time to insert the legs. You can hand sew the legs in, pinned in place, or use the hot glue gun. Slow the video to see Cynthia demonstrating using the hot glue gun. Keep a flat craft stick to use as your tool for patting the hot glue and fabric. Be safe using the hot glue gun. Keeping the legs even and start at the corner of the body. Glue front and back area. Then the center of the leg area, glue down. Use the craft stick as your tool to pat it down the fabric. Be careful using any equipment. Examine your work. Allow the glue to dry. Also notices that your ragdoll isn't overstuffed. Your doll is filled just enough to allow you to create her clothing measuring approximately 2 inches around. Now that very small black rubber band, place it to the waist area. You will feel the end of the craft stick that you inserted. We are creating her waist and giving support also. This video tutorial demonstrated the crafting of the neck, body, and legs. The head and clothing will follow. Link to this video. To keep the video length to 6 to 10 minutes, I've made the 3-part video tutorials. Part 2, the head. Thank you, see link.